Nasty Juice down the bar hat. There's engine 2. It gets brought up to idle. Once again, for those of you with small ears, now's the time to put ear protection on your children if you have not done yet already. Brand 2 engines are fired. You basically turn the fuel on and throw a big arm. There's engine 3. Sacramento, are you ready? I said Sacramento, are you ready? Unlike anything you've ever seen in this arena before, this gentleman races up once again all the way from Tulare. Guard the Tracker, man, post draws, SS strength, CP.